First phone, second phone. I don't think so guys, you can easily find out which is which phone. And here are these two phones again. They look very much similar. There's just a small difference, 1 and 2 here and here. Welcome back guys, time for another exciting comparison, and today we have to compare two new smartphones on the Realme, the Pro Plus and the Pro. By the way, this is the Pro Plus and this is the Pro. I just made the Plus like you have seen on the starting of the video. First time in the history of the Realme, I think so, they launched a phone in a very competitive differences. Like, I would explain you why I'm saying it is competitive differences, because generally you see there's so much difference between the regular one and the Pro one and the Plus one, whatever. But this time they are following the flagship strategy like the Samsung used to do. Like, there are some minor changes, not too much. You can see how these two phones looks like. They look very much identical except on the camera department. You can just see it is 100 megapixel OIS and this is the 200 megapixel OIS. They look exactly similar if I just show you side by side. But if you just look closely on the Realme 11 Pro, I think I'm also getting confused. This is the 11 Pro. There is one dead camera on the right side, but on the Pro Plus, there is no dead camera either. It is just working ultra wide. And the small difference, already I've shown you the 100 versus the 200. The back panel look exactly same, the dimension exactly same, the weight exactly same, everything exactly same. By the way, there is another color, or you can say another variant which doesn't come with the vegan leather. They both come with the vegan leather variant. Also the green, I think this is a beige color something, or this one plastic back panel also. So if you are confused which one looks better, there's no confusion at all guys, because both phones looks pretty much very similar. Both the phones come with exactly same display specifications. They are Super AMOLED 120Hz HDR10 Plus, and they come with the curved display. You go with the either of the phone, you're not going to see any difference at all when you are using the phone, and it's exactly actually pretty good thing because you are getting the same kind of display. But now this is not the cheapest phone with the curved display at all. The Lavagni 2, which launched at the price of 20k, it comes with the cheapest price tag. But these displays are good indoor. You're not going to see much bright, but when you go to outdoor, you can exactly feel the max out. They go up to the 950 nits, which is very good. I have only one complaint with the display. The brightness should have to be slightly more. I think should be up to 1200 nits, because on the same price segment, some brands like the Redmi, they are giving you 1200, 1300 nits. Both of these phones are running the Android 13 right now, and here's the about device section. You can check, and according to the company, both of these two devices are going to get two major version of Android update, that is up to the Android 15. Not going to compare the ROMs because like I told you, they are exactly same. But yes, I should have to tell you one important point. Nowadays Realme phones are coming with so many bloatwares pre-installed. So if you're considering this phone, you might need to spend some time in installing many of the applications. Not all can be installed, like the hot games, hot apps, and hot free games. Both of these phones comes with the dual stereo speakers. Output is nearly same, but in our testing we found the Realme 11 Pro is slightly more loud, not too much, just few decibels, and it comes with the Dolby Atmos support also. Both of these phones come with the exactly same CPU, the Dimensity 7050. If you don't know, it's the same CPU like the last year's 1080. So like there is no difference between these two CPUs. I also don't know why company just renamed it, or they use just the rebranded CPU. Anyways, when talking about the raw power, it's same. The day-to-day usage is same. If you do gaming on both the phones, the experience is nearly same. So there is no difference at all. Also, both of these comes with the exactly same amount of RAM. Also, the max you go up to the 12 GB. And here's the about phone section. You can check. And you do have the option of up to 12 GB expandable RAM. Also, I mean the RAM expansion, the virtual. So you get virtually 24 GB RAM, which is insane for this price segment. In terms of number, the Realme 11 Pro comes with a dual camera setup. The main sensor is the 100MP sensor, which is a just newly launched sensor, and you're getting the additional 2MP macro. While on the 11 Pro Plus, you have triple camera lens, the 200MP Samsung HM3. Now you have 8MP old Gold tetrabyte and the waist 2MP macro lens. Here's a quick camera comparison between both of these phones. If you just talk about the color accuracy, both phones are able to produce good shots, and if you take indoor, outdoor, the results are very good. But in some situations, I feel like the 200MP sensor is slightly more overexposed. Like if the object is very bright, for example, the orange and something red, it shows you some weird kind of result. That is especially on the higher megapixel mode, that is 200MP mode or the 50MP mode. Otherwise, it takes good shot. Also, one important difference you can spot, the 200MP sensor is slightly more vibrant compared to the 100MP sensor. If you do a little bit of zooming, then here you can spot some difference. The max zooming capability on both of these two phones goes up to the 20x, even though there is no optical zoom support. Still, they take some nice shots. 200MP 11 Pro Plus can take slightly better shots when you completely zoomed in on the 20x mode, while the 100MP is just kind of like old 108MP, not too much difference at all. Ultra wide is only present in 11 Pro Plus, so just 8MP takes just okay shot, no difference at all. On the indoor, I think the 100MP still takes very nice shot, but here when light is slightly low, I think the 200MP sensor gives you slightly better details, and even in complete low light you can spot a difference. The 11 Pro Plus, which is having 200MP sensor, takes much better low light photos. On the video capability, both of these phones can film 4K 30fps videos. The good part is that both of these two phones are coming with the OIS support, so videos are much smoother compared to the last generations 10 Pro and the Pro Plus series. Talking about the selfie, here is again major difference. The 11 Pro Plus comes with the 32 megapixel selfie, while the 11 Pro comes with the 32 megapixel selfie. Here's a quick difference. You can spot the 11 Pro Plus having the more megapixel produce slightly better selfie. Portrait shot on both the phones are really very good. So in terms of camera difference, I don't think so there is so many huge difference between the 11 Pro versus 11 Pro Plus. Yes, you get the additional 8MP ultra wide, but this is just okay, it's kind of ultra wide. You're not going to take any groundbreaking photos. I would still pick the 100MP photos because it offers much better value for many camera compared to the 200MP mode, which still has some limitation like no zoom in, taking a lot of space in taking photos. So yep, you have to decide what is your priority exactly. Both phones come with the same battery capacity. While there is a difference in the charging speed, the Realme 11 Pro comes with the 67 watt support, while the box will give you 80 watt. The 11 Pro Plus will comes with the 100 watt charging support, so it is much faster. It took around 38 minutes to completely charge the phone, while this one is going to take slightly more time. Backup wise, both phones are kind of okay. You can completely cross one day, depends on how you're going to use your phone, but they are completely one day phone for both mixed to heavy usage. Which phone is going to offer you better value for money? Now, if we see the differences closely, I think there is not much major difference at all except on the camera and on the charging. While the 11 Pro camera is not bad either, it still takes good shot, and sometimes I even prefer that phone to over the 11 Pro Plus. If you want to save money, then definitely go with the 11 Pro. You're not going to disappoint at all because same look, same display, same performance, same battery backup capacity, just a little bit of charging difference, that's it. And if you have extra more money, you can definitely go with the 11 Pro Plus. While as you increase your money, there are so many good options available. For example, the iQOO Neo 7, you have the Motorola Edge 40, and there are so many good phones. Last year's Pixel 6, a lot of options available under 30k. So we have to wait and watch for the best 5G phones which you should buy. So that's it guys, with the comparison of the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Plus. Do let us know which phone is your favorite in between these two.